Those who do not respect time, one day, they always reach a moment where they realize their greatest treasure has been wasted. Money? If it's lost, you can earn it again. Fame? If it's gone, you can rebuild it. But time is the only wealth that once it slips away, it never returns. History is full of brilliant minds, destroyed not by lack of talent, but by the simple act of wasting time. They kept saying, "I'll do it tomorrow, there's still time." But when tomorrow arrived, the chance was already gone. Today's story is about someone just like that. A young man full of talent, full of potential, but blind to the value of time. Until life itself taught him a lesson he could never forget. This is the story of Alex Johnson. He lived in Boston, USA, with his parents. Alex was one of the brightest students in his class. Every exam he took, he came out on top. Teachers often said, "Alex will one day make a big name in the world." But one flaw slowly ate away at his future: the wasting of time. When Alex returned home from school, instead of doing his homework, he spent hours playing games on his phone, sometimes watching endless YouTube videos, sometimes wandering around with his friends till late night. His father would often say, "Son, time is precious. If you waste it today, tomorrow you'll regret it." But Alex would smile and reply, "Dad, I have plenty of time. I'll do everything later." Then came the final exams. Those very friends who once wasted time with him prepared well. And when results came out, everyone was shocked. Alex, the boy who always topped, was now at the very bottom. His teachers were disappointed. Even his friends began to avoid him. At home, his parents looked at his report card in silence. Their eyes showed only disappointment. That night, Alex went to his grandfather. His grandfather, a retired Harvard professor, respected for his wisdom. "Grandpa, I don't understand. How could I fail so badly?" The old man smiled gently and said, "My son, your intelligence was never the problem. The problem was you did not value time." The grandfather leaned back in his chair and began, "Let me tell you a story. The story of Adam Reed." Adam was the CEO of a major company in London. Through hard work and discipline, he built an empire. But once success came, he stopped valuing time. He woke up late. He delayed meetings. And instead of managing his company, he spent hours scrolling through social media. One day, his advisor warned him, "Adam, you are wasting your most valuable treasure. If you don't change now, your empire will collapse." But Adam only laughed. "I have enough time. I'll fix everything tomorrow." But that tomorrow never came. Within months, the company started losing profit. Competitors pulled ahead. Investors withdrew their money. And one day, Adam sat alone in his empty office, whispering to himself, "I lost everything just because I wasted time." This story struck Alex's heart. He thought, "I don't want to end up like Adam. I must change today." The next morning, he began transforming his life. He reduced time on his phone. He created a strict study schedule. And even with friends, he learned to manage his time wisely. At first, it was difficult, but slowly his focus returned. And by the next exams, Alex was once again the top student. Years later, Alex graduated from Stanford University and became a successful entrepreneur. And today, he inspires thousands of young people with one lesson. Time is the key to success. Once lost, it never comes back. If you believe this story can help others too, don't forget to like and share the video. And subscribe to our channel Golden Ember Tales, where every story brings a new light of wisdom.